Good morning, children. We are discussing about the adaptations in plants. Yesterday, the previous classes, we discussed about the plants which live in different habitat. According to that, we classified them. We classified into many groups. First, we classified them into which live on land, which live in water. Then we take one category, that is terrestrial plants. We again classify them according to their habitat. Some terrestrial plants which live on hilly areas. Some plants which live on plains. Some will live on the desert, then marshy areas. Like that, we again classify them. In that, we discussed about the plants which live on plains. The plants which live on plains, we again classified into two, which are they? Deciduous plants and evergreen plants. Deciduous plants shed their leaves in particular seasons, like autumn. Autumn season, they shed their leaves. Like that, evergreen plants. What about evergreen plants? They will be in greenish leaves. They will have greenish leaves. That is why they are called evergreen plants. Their examples all we saw in the previous classes. All of you write the notes properly, complete the notes and learn today itself. When you are writing the notes, same day you learn it. And next day, repeat it and keep in your mind. Don't forget. Today, we are going to learn about the next category. What is that? The plants, the terrestrial plants which live on hilly areas. The plants which live on hilly areas have some adaptations. They have their own adaptations because they live on hilly region. What is the importance of hilly region? What is the special environment there? What about the environment there in the hilly region? Yes, the hilly regions may be always so cold condition there. Hilly regions will be so cold environment there. So, they have the plants which live in hilly areas, hilly regions have some adaptations. So, how these plants are adapted to that environment, that climatic condition, that we are going to learn in this portion. In this topic, we are learning about the hilly regions, the plants in the hilly regions. You can see the plants in the hilly regions have the shape like this. What is the shape? All of you know what is the shape? What is the shape of these plants? The plants have the conical shape. Plants have conical shape. They are living like this. Their leaves are their structure like this, conical. Like this, you can see the structure here. So the examples you can, when you keep saying this, so many examples came into your mind. In the previous years, we learned about it. The pine, cedar, spruce, fir, all are examples for this conical shaped plants. They are also called coniferous plants or conifers. Okay, what we can call them? Conical shaped plants we can call coniferous plants. Do you remember coniferous plants or conifers? Their shape is conical shape. Then what about their leaves? Their leaves are adapted to live in the so-called condition. That is, their leaves are needle-like leaves. Okay, then they don't have flowers. For flowering and reproduction, like that process, it is not possible there in the hilly regions. So their flowers, they don't have flowers. Instead of flowers, they have corns. Okay, I'll show the picture to you. The picture of corns. Okay, these are the adaptations of the plants which live in hilly regions. Understand what are the adaptations? You can see in your textbook. You can underline these portions. Conical shape. First point you can see the plants which have conical shape. Second point you can see conical shape. And the first point you can see the leaves. What about their leaves? Their leaves have needle shaped leaves. And third point you can see they are called coniferous trees. They have cones instead of flowers. So in these cones the seeds are there inside the cones. Next is plants which live in windy regions. So hilly regions over. Next windy regions. The plants which live in windy regions also have some adaptations. Their plant part, their leaves, their structure, all over the structure is like an umbrella. They are umbrella shaped or flat topped. Their top side is flat. For what their shape become flat shaped, flat top? Why they have flat top? Because the heavy wind will damage the or destruct the plant. To avoid that, they have the umbrella shaped structure. Because of that, they will not fall down by the heavy wind. So in these windy regions, we can see the plants are flat topped. That much only about this windy plants in the windy regions. Okay. Students, watch this video of plants of hills. Pine, deodar, cedar, spruce, fir, etc. are examples of plants on hilly areas. These plants are tall, straight and generally have a conical shape. These tall, straight and green conical trees make hills appear green and beautiful. Their leaves are narrow and needle-shaped. The conical shape of these trees do not allow snow to get deposited on them.